Hi, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add apps to secure folder on Samsung phone. Okay, we start by open the secure folder in our Samsung phone, and here you need to enter your PIN or using fingerprint. Okay, right now we are enter the secure folder. In the secure folder you can press the plus symbol, and here you need to choose which application you want to add to secure folder. I choose one of application here and I press add at the bottom right, and now the application is already added to this secure folder, and this application will be added as a new one, and the other one is still in your home screen. So, and for example, if you remove or uninstall this application will be deleted from the secure folder, but in your home screen your application is still there.